don't like. Make sure you get a good clear shot.
I got it. There.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, just get like all the cars and then zoom in and shit. Ready? Alright. Look at that car chase over there.
High speed.
High speed car chases. Zoom that bitch out now. Man, look at that. Civilians and one cop after one Honda Civic.
Oh yeah.
And we get a clear shot for you guys.
Joey, we don't have the stickers.
Look at that. Look at that car chase over. Ooh, damn, yo. Did you get that?
Yeah, what the hell was that?
What the fuck was that? Oh my god. That was fucking beautiful. That was fucking beautiful. Okay.
Okay. I'm going.